Long division. Long division is as simple as memorizing the members of this family. Dad, mom, sister, brother. Each person represents a step in the long division process. Dad, divide. Mom, multiply. Sister, subtract. Brother, bring down. Then, repeat or remainder. Dad, divide. Step 1 in long division. Dad, divide the first digit 9 in the dividend by 2. Think how many 2's will fit into 9. Write that digit directly above the digit you divided into.
How many 2's will go into 9?
Mom, multiply. Step 2 in long division. Multiply the divisor by the first digit in the quotient. Write your answer directly under the 9 or the digit you just divided.
2 times 4 equals 8.
Sister, subtract. Step 3 in long division. Draw a line under the 8. Write a subtraction sign next to the 8. Subtract 8 from 9. Write your answer directly below the 8. Brother, bring down. Step 4 in long division. Go to the next digit in the dividend to the right of the 9. Write an arrow under the 4. Bring the 4 down next to the 1. Then, repeat or remainder. Step 5 in long division. Repeat or remainder. This is where you decide whether you repeat the 5 steps of division. If your new number, 14, can divide by the divisor, or if you have numbers in the dividend that have not been brought down, you repeat the 5 steps of division. Dad, divide. Divide 14 by 2. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Place your answer directly above the 4 in your quotient. Mom, multiply. Multiply the divisor, 2, by your new digit in the quotient, 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. Place your answer directly under the 14. Sister, subtract. Draw a line under the bottom 14. Draw a subtraction sign. Subtract and place answer under the line. Brother, bring down. Put an arrow under the next digit, 7, in the dividend. Bring the 7 down next to the 0. Then, repeat or remainder. If your new digit can divide by 2, then repeat the steps of division. Dad, divide. Divide your new digit, 7 by divisor, 2. Place your answer in the quotient next to the 7. Multiply your divisor, 2, by your new digit in the quotient, 3. Place your answer under the digit you brought down, 7. Sister, subtract. Draw a line under the digit 6. Place your subtraction sign. Subtract and put your answer directly under the 6. Brother, bring down. Look at your dividend to see if there are any more digits to bring down. If not, move to step 5. Then, repeat or remainder. Since there are no more digit to bring down and 1 will not divide by 2, you will not repeat the steps of division. The digit left over, 1, becomes the remainder.